The Young and the Restless spoiler update on Saturday, November 28th, 2020. Next on The Young and the Restless, Devin will spy on Amanda and he will invite her to Thanksgiving dinner at his penthouse, but Amanda will decline, saying that she has a friend who needs to be cheered up. Victor and Nikki Newman will arrive at Crimson Lights, followed shortly by Nick and Phyllis. Phyllis will promptly mention Faith Newman's drinking to Sharon, who will be hearing about it for the first time. Eventually, Sharon will confront Nick over not telling her about Faith's drinking, and Faith will overhear, instantly getting upset with Nick for telling Sharon. Off-screen, Sharon will hear the whole story, and Faith will insist that it will never happen again. Sharon will indicate that punishment will be forthcoming, and Faith will say that it's all over and that she's fine. Victor Newman and Nikki Newman count their blessings. On the patio, Victor and Nikki will sip coffee together. Victor will be worried about Adam, wondering what Adam has to be thankful for this year. Nikki will think that Adam has his father's unconditional love, and she'll suggest that they focus on all the wonderful things in their lives. Victor will tell Nikki that she's pretty and that he loves her. Meanwhile, over at Devin's penthouse, Lily Winters will call Nate Hastings and invite him for Thanksgiving dinner without consulting Devin first. Devin won't be happy about it when he learns what she did, and suddenly Nate will appear at the door. Lily will ask Devin and Nate to try to get along for this one day since life is too short. The Young and the Restless spoilers for Wednesday, November 25th tease that in Genoa City, Wisconsin, Phyllis Summers and Nick Newman will be at the Grand Phoenix preparing to head over to the Crimson Lights when Victor Newman calls to tell Nick that Adam Newman was committed to a mental health facility. Meanwhile, at the Crimson Lights, Devin Hamilton will give Sharon Newman a large donation to help her with her expenses for feeding the homeless. On the patio, Elena Dawson will see Amanda Sinclair. Amanda will quickly learn that Elena has no Thanksgiving plans. Devin Hamilton and Nate Hastings manage to be civil for the holiday. Next on The Young and the Restless, Nate, Devin, and Elena will try to enjoy their holiday together, but there will be an undercurrent of tension between Nate and Devin. Nate and Devin will make some pointed remarks in each other's direction, but ultimately they'll get along okay. After dinner, Lily will leave the penthouse to go meet Billy Abbott, supposedly for business reasons. Nate and Devin will think this was a decent first step for them, and Nate will take off.